Hi, I'm Kim Master Martino from Line Design, and this video is on swirls. We'll be taking a look at how you can practice to come up with a beautiful design like this, but let's start at the beginning. In free motion quilting, there are basically about 5 shapes, and the swirl is made up of the C shape. So starting on a graph paper, where you can just do this C shape over and over and over again by going around and back, and trying to make them as consistent as possible. The lines on the graph paper really help to do that. And when we're doing these practicing, we have to think about all the different directions because as you saw in the beginning, the swirl does go in all different directions. So as you can see from mine, it seems that my going to the right looks a lot different than my going to the left. But that's the beauty of free motion quilting. It's supposed to look different as we move around the quilt. And then not only horizontally, we have to think about vertically because these swirls go every single direction. So then take some time and take a look at what your C shape looks as you start at the top and you put your curl to the right. And then also if you start at the top and you put your curl of the C to the left. Sometimes it's helpful penciling in a C first if this is a direction you haven't typically gone. And the idea is to really get in our mind what this pattern is before we go to the material. So take a look at the next video that will help think more about this pattern. We're going to keep working on swirls and free motion quilting.